Hey, it's your host Sauce from the Viral Kingdom, and I hate the fact that I'm making this video, but I am because I've been asked to, and that means there's a demand for it, so I'm gonna provide. Today, we're gonna be going over how you can make this ridiculous Space Jam LeBron James toy water balloon that isn't actually intended to inflate, but everyone is doing it on TikTok, and I've been getting a ton of questions on how they're doing it, and as the TikTok tutorial guy, I felt like I had to provide. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can make one. Before we do get into that, if you guys would go down, leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you ever need TikTok related content and want to keep up with all the latest and greatest trends. I got you covered, so make sure you subscribe. Alright, so let's get into how people actually make these toys, and it's honestly pretty simple to do. So now you could buy the toy at any of your local Walmarts. However, they've been absolutely out of stock everywhere because everyone is trying to buy this for this stupid TikTok trend. It is by far the dumbest trend, but it's actually hilarious. Every single video I see just makes me burst out laughing because they're so stupid. But yeah, you can get them at your local Walmart, your local Indigo, also Indigo online. You can find them on Amazon. I'll try and leave some links down in the description where you can purchase this toy. Like on Amazon, the toy goes for about $10, so not that much money, and it might be even cheaper in Walmart. Okay, so once you have the toy, how exactly do you make it this ridiculous inflating water balloon? Well, you kind of have to mutilate LeBron's toy body. The easiest way to do it is cutting one of LeBron's hands off and then wrapping that around a sink nozzle or like a hose from outside. Then obviously you just want to pump all the water into LeBron's body, but the thing people don't know how they close it. Most videos, they don't even close the water, they just kind of hold it with their hands. However, there is a workaround for this, and what you want to do is use a hair elastic and wrap it around the mutilated toy hand. And you just want to tie it in a knot, and bam, that's how you don't let any of the water escape, and you can just do all your crazy, weird, wacky videos in this TikTok trend. It is absolutely ridiculous. Why is this just TikTok? I feel like it's been stale for the past few weeks, so then some weird trend like this comes along. I don't know. Do what you want with this information. It's been your Sauce from the Viral Kingdom. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace. See ya later.
Mixtape.